Hello, welcome back to Brilliant Sushi LiveENODING. In this episode, I will be revisiting how to create this Zoetrope spinning animations. And this is actually based on Mario Kart animated GIF. And the whole thing is created using animation nodes, except this middle part is made using SVerchok. And it can be exported. And you can actually upload this to SKETCHFAB and turn on auto spin. With the right speed, you get this magical spinner. Okay, so let's get started. So I already have Mario Kart animated GIF that's separated into all this image. And so I just need to bring it into Blender. It's save it as TIFF, I don't know why, but File, Import, and Image Planes. And turn off animated image sequence, but you can turn on shadeless, but everything else should be right. I didn't turn on shadeless because I want to at some point export it as GLB, and shadeless setup doesn't export the GLB properly. So just import images as planes. So we have how many? 27, 22 image planes. Let's save this very quickly. So this is Animation Nodes tutorial, Spinner 2020. Done this a couple of times in the past. I think I can do this much faster now. And I want to put them into collection. It's already inside collections, but anyway, hit M, create new collections, Mario Kart. Save. Here with a node editor, let's switch to animation nodes and simply grab the collections. Collection info. We're gonna grab our Mario Kart collections. We have selection objects, all objects. You know the drill. We're just gonna use matrix output objects, and now it's stacked into a single object, into like on top of each other. We want to arrange it into circular, so we need to distribute the matrices as a circle. And we need 22 of them, 22 points. Okay. If we switch to this mode, in EV we have Super Mario Kart. They are kind of alright, but we need to distribute, we need to use matrix math and just to rotate it. Pretty simple. Okay, we have control over that. Cool. Okay, we need this one. Minus 90. So we have Mario arranged in circular, and we actually just need to add a little bit of decorations. For that, I'm actually using SVerchok. So let's see, advanced node setting. Animation nodes by default is always calculated on every frame. So I'm just gonna turn that off. I'm gonna switch to SVerchok nodes. We can actually create a maybe like a cone or like a cylinder. Let's actually do that. So we're gonna output mesh viewer. So it's gonna be a cylinder, right? But we're gonna turn off the cap, and we're gonna turn this into like a cone. We're gonna turn off center. Cool. Just need to adjust the radius. We're gonna turn on the wireframe so we can see. So I'm gonna make like a what you see earlier. So it's gonna be red, white, or whatever color you want to put in. And that's pretty easy thanks to this material assignment and material index list. So we have our objects, and we want to assign material into this guy based on this. Let's quickly create material. So material 1 and material 2, you can give it different color, red, blue, Baby blue, make this pink. We want to interchange the color between this color here, and we need a value that goes between 0 and 1, I think. The face, but okay. If we have random number between 0 and 1, plug this in, you can see it's random. But we don't want random, we want to have proper number. So range number, and use a math modulo. Plug this in, modulo of 2. So it's gonna go, if we use the stethoscope viewer, you can see the value is like 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Cool, that's exactly what we need. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it actually. We just need to now make a proper radius color, and I think this looks alright. You can change the number, but more or less we are done here. We just need to make it, we need to turn it into a spinner. Save, file save as. So I'm gonna save the one that's actually baked so we can spin it. So see, it's this, like this is 3D. It's actually kind of nice to have it like this. It's like a circus. So at this point we can delete everything to it. We don't need the nodes anymore. All we need just like an empty. So we can parent everything here. Select object in the hierarchy and drag it into this empty while holding shift, so you drop it and save it as parent. Now we can spin our thingy. Oops, not scale. Spin. I just did something wrong. There you go. It should also spin our alpha. There you go. And we just need to put a driver, set it to frame. So at the moment it's spinning like this. We need to set it up so it has the correct value for the empty. 0.1. Maybe not fast enough. So we just need to put in the right number, and now it's working. So it's Zoetrope or whatever you call it. I think it's kind of fun to create, and you can turn this into AR. And with this guy, I think we can turn it. You can solidify this a little bit. If you send this to something like SKETCHFAB, it will actually work as well. You just need to enable auto spin. You can export it static or just bake the animations, and yeah, hopefully it works for you. Give it a try. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.